In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your ElevenLabs quota effectively by upgrading your subscription plan and utilizing features like usage-based billing and credit rollover. Let's dive in. First, let's consider the various subscription plans available on ElevenLabs. If you find yourself running out of characters too quickly each month, upgrading your current plan might be a worthwhile option. An upgraded subscription not only increases your monthly character limit, but often comes with additional features and benefits that can enhance your overall user experience. It's a good idea to assess your current usage needs and predict whether a higher quota would meet your long-term requirements, ensuring you never run into limitations that could hinder your projects. Now, suppose you're on a paid plan that offers usage-based billing. This feature is particularly useful if you have unpredictable or fluctuating character needs. With usage-based billing, you can continue using the service even after you've exhausted your monthly credits. This way, you pay for the extra characters you use, which provides flexibility without the immediate need to upgrade to a larger plan. This option is perfect for those busy months when your character usage unexpectedly spikes, ensuring continuity in your work. Another excellent feature available to many ElevenLabs users is the rollover of unused credits. Picture this. You haven't maxed out your character quota, and the month is ending soon. Instead of losing those remaining characters, they can automatically roll over into the next month. The fact that they can accumulate up to 2 times your regular quota is certainly a bonus. This means you can save up credits for those months when you know your usage will be heavy, offering a handy buffer and saving you potential additional costs. While upgrading your subscription is a straightforward process, be sure to take a moment to review what each plan offers before making your decision. Look at aspects such as customer support, additional features, and potential discounts for longer-term commitments. It's all about finding that balance that suits your professional needs and budget preferences. Taking advantage of these various options not only gives you flexibility, but can also help you manage your resources more efficiently. Whether it's through an enhanced plan, usage-based billing, or the strategic use of credit rollovers, you have tools at your disposal to make sure you're getting the best value and reliability from your ElevenLabs subscription. In summary, understanding and utilizing these subscription features can be a game changer in how you leverage the power of ElevenLabs for your projects. If you're ready to make the switch or implement these changes, simply head over to your account settings and explore the subscription options available to you. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide both helpful and empowering for your creative and professional endeavors.